If you're an entrepreneur or want to be one, this was made for you. I want you to win. I want you to avoid the mistakes I made so you can save yourself a lot more time, money, and energy in the process. I'm Kamil Ravin. I've been running my own business full-time for the last 5 years, and in this video, I'll be sharing the nutshell version of some of the biggest insights I've had in those 5 years. Insight number 1, build something bigger than yourself. Entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart, and I can't tell you how many times I've seen someone start a business for all the wrong reasons, trying to make a quick buck, trying to follow a trend, or because their friends are doing the same thing. Guess what happens? They don't last, they give up, they struggle to stay on the path when it gets hard. To build something bigger than yourself means it's no longer just about you. There's a real purpose and mission behind the business that you're building. It is what I like to call soul in the game. Not skin in the game, soul in the game. It's a whole different level of commitment because it's no longer just about you. There is a deeper driving force that keeps you on the path even when times get tough. Let me put it this way, even if I was homeless, I'd still do the work I'm doing because it is spirit driven, not ego driven. There is a lie that is told that you can't be wealthy and follow your passion. That is complete bullshit. You can have both. You can have your cake and eat it too. So reflect on this. How do you want to be of service to the world? What lights you up? What are you passionate about? Insight number 2, treat your business like a business. I remember when I first started, I would avoid the things I didn't initially understand because it felt too businessy. And I just wanted to do the stuff I found fun. Big mistake. The sooner you begin treating your business like a business, the smoother things will be. Now, what might this look like? Tracking everything. Tracking sales, expenses, profit, being crystal clear on the numbers so you know exactly what is going on. It's far easier to make changes when you're aware of what's happening in your business. Build and refine systems. Winging it may seem cool, but there's a saying, what gets measured gets done. If you create a system to follow day to day, you can evaluate the results of that system over time and gradually refine it to see what works and what isn't working. For example, creating systems for client acquisition or content and improving it over time. Another way to treat your business like a business is to show up. You're now working for yourself, so treating your business with the same commitment to showing up that you would in 9 to 5 is key. It isn't an option to not show up because you don't feel like it. You're unlikely to do that for a 9 to 5, so give your business the same respect and put in the hours. Insight number 3, hone your craft. It is pretty hard to ignore someone who is great at what they do. Not good, great. This doesn't mean you have to start out that way, that wouldn't be realistic. But continuously upgrading your skill set, learning new tools and knowledge to grow is what makes you really stand out. You know that saying, be so good they can't ignore you? This is what that points to. If you commit to mastering what you do, you'll be far more likely to prosper. This applies to those skills you may even feel icky about. It's common for many entrepreneurs to avoid working on sales and marketing, but that's why it's so important to change your relationship with it. It makes all the difference. Insight number 4, give yourself 5 years. One of the reasons I love entrepreneurship is it very quickly filters out those who some call wantrepreneurs. Those who think short term will never make it. James Clear said entrepreneurship is a personal growth engine disguised as a business pursuit. It's a journey that molds you in ways that you may never have seen coming. This is why I say give yourself 5 years, because it's about who you become in the process. That doesn't happen instantly. It takes years in the game of committing, of showing up and staying on the path. Give yourself 5 years of really committing to make something happen and watch where you'll be 5 years later. Even if you don't hit your ideal goal, you'll be far further ahead compared to if you threw in the towel 1 year in. Insight number 5, hire a coach or mentor. Entrepreneurship can be a lonely journey. You may feel isolated from others. You may feel like you're doing everything by yourself and have no idea what's going on. One of the best ways to accelerate your progress is to have support from someone who is equipped to guide you on your journey. Find a coach or mentor that is the right fit for what you need most. Hiring my own coaches and mentors have made the biggest difference to my journey as an entrepreneur. It's like a cheat code to bypass so many mistakes I would have made otherwise. Entrepreneurship is like sports. And just like in sport, the greatest athletes have coaches to bring out their best. So, to recap the 5 insights, build something bigger than yourself. Treat your business like a business. Hone your craft. Give yourself 5 years and hire a coach or mentor. I hope you found value in this, and make sure to check out the video that will pop up on screen, as it will help you to take some of your insights from this video even deeper. And drop a comment sharing what your favorite insight was, and make sure to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Love you all.